Good morning, friends. This is day 9 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin today in child's pose. Any variation you like, with knees closer or wider apart. Release your forehead to the mat. Breathe deeply into your belly, chest, sides and back of the body. With inhale, fill your body with fresh air. With exhale, release tension away. Let your body melt towards the ground. Come up to your fingertips and walk your hands a little forward, bringing a bit more stretch to your upper body, shoulders, armpits. From here, walk your fingertips over to the left until you feel a good stretch on your right side of the torso. Walk your hands over to the right, stretching the other side. Bring your hands back to center and come up into downward facing dog. Move here a little, pedal out your feet. Press the heels towards the ground one by one, stretching the back of the legs. Lower your knees down into tabletop position. With inhale, lift your right arm up, open the chest to the ceiling. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your left armpit, keep your right shoulder lifted. Inhale, lift your right arm up, look up. Exhale, arm underneath your left side. And one more time, inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, thread the arm underneath and lower your right shoulder down this time. Release the side of the head to the mat. With inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Same on the other side. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your right side. Inhale, reach your left arm up, look up. Exhale, thread the arm underneath. And one more time, inhale, lift. And exhale, release your left shoulder down. Find a good stretch on your upper back, breathe there. Inhale, lift your left arm up to the sky. Exhale, release your hand down. For puppy pose, walk your hands forward, release chest towards the ground. Find the stretch on your upper body, shoulders, chest and back. Take one big breath in, full breath out. Walk your hands back and come up into downward facing dog. Find some stillness, press your hips up, lengthen the spine in downward dog. Take one more big inhale and exhale. Bring your right foot to the outside of your right hand. Lower your back knee down for lizard. Stay up on your hands, fingertips, or lower down to your forearms. You have also option to keep your front foot, right foot flat, or lift the inside of the foot a little, open the knee a bit more to the right. Just see what feels best on your body. Step your right foot back to downward facing dog and bring your left foot to the outside of left hand. Gently push the hips down towards the mat. Find a good stretch on your hips. Left foot flat on the mat, or maybe the inside of the foot lifts to open the knee a bit more. Bring your left foot back into downward facing dog. And for yoga squat, turn your toes out, heels in. Walk your hands back to your feet, bend the knees deeply and sit down into Malasana, yoga squat position. Hands stay on the mat in front of you or palms together. Gently press your knees out with your elbows, increasing the stretch on your inner thighs and groin. Remember, you can always fold your mat to support your heels. Let's add a twist here. Release your right hand down in front of your right foot. Reach your left arm up, opening your chest into twist. Take a big inhale. Exhale, release your left hand down in front of your left foot. Reach your right arm up for a twist. Try to rotate your chest up towards the ceiling. Take a big inhale. And exhale, release your hand down. Make your way back to child's pose, the same position that we started in. Walk your hands forward, release your forehead down on the mat. And as you breathe here, notice if this pose now feels different compared to 10 minutes before, when we just started the practice. 10 minutes can seem like very little time, but sometimes this is already enough to feel the difference in the body. Walk your hands back, sit up on your heels. And for one more breath, inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed your morning practice today. See you tomorrow for day 10 and have a nice day.